How to fix error codes 0x80073712, 0x800F0922, 0xc1900104, and 0xc1900223 when updating Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help fix error codes 0x80073712, 0x800F0922, 0xc1900104, and 0xc1900223 when updating your Windows 10 system to the latest Windows May 10, 2020 update. 1. Try disconnecting your VPN connection or proxy server, if any. 2. Try to disable the third-party antivirus program. If disabling your security app does not help, try removing the antivirus program using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 3. Resize the reserved partition or run disk.msc to clean up some space. 4. mandism/online/cleanup image/restore health, as administrator. 5. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For more troubleshooting information, check out this Microsoft support document at https://support.microsoft.com/n-ph/help/408983/windows-10-troubleshoot-problems-updating. Windows 10. Last but not least, Windows May 10, 2020 update is causing issues with Intel Optane. And, here are two options that should allow you to fix Intel Optane memory pinning issue, aka, unable to load DLL store AFS service API.dll, the specified module could not be found. Exception from result, 0x8, 1. Remove that Intel app using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 2. Block then remove Windows May 10, 2020 update.